Hi, so today we're going to show you how to start working on your layout. Start by selecting the wedding option to set up your event type. Afterwards, click Yes, I have a list to import your existing guest list into the system. From here, click Upload CSV file to import your guest list from your computer. Now click the Upload CSV file button to import your guest list data. From here, click Next to proceed with setting up your guest list. Following this, click the Continue to Mapping button to proceed. Following this, select the Name column option from the drop-down menu. Afterwards, select the Carrier column drop-down to map your guest list data. A carrier is the person who you sent the invite to. Following this, select the Carrier column drop-down to map your guest list data properly. Next up, click the Import button to complete the guest list setup. From here, click the Next button to proceed to the Project menu section. Following this, click the Next button to proceed to the next tutorial step. From here, click the Next button to proceed to the final step of your guest list configuration. Afterwards, click the Next button to proceed to the next step in the tutorial. After that, click the highlighted area to open the spreadsheet view for editing. After that, click the highlighted area to return to the Canvas view and continue seating arrangements. From here, click the Tables button to access and manage your event seating arrangements. Following this, click the Banquet Table option to select the larger round table configuration. Drag a guest group by starting the drag movement from the family icon in the guest card. You can also drag individual guests from the list, no matter if they're a carrier or not. Let's add another table. Following this, select the Banquet Table option to accommodate 10 to 12 guests. You can drag tables easily and place them whenever you want in the canvas. From here, click the Edit Guest List button to switch to the spreadsheet view. Click in the Collision Creator button. Afterwards, click the Search Guest and field to select the guest for collision management. Next up, click on James Smith to select this guest for the collision. Then, click the Search Guest field to find and select the guest for collision. Then, select Linda Davis from the drop-down list to add her to the collision. Following that, click the Close button to exit the Collision Creator modal dialog. Next, click the Back to Canvas button to return to the Canvas view. Now, when trying to seat Linda, you'll see it should be kept away from James. Start planning your perfect layout on SeatCanvas.app. Thank you for watching.